Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So avoid. Avoid. To ensure you don't get something. Avoid. Avoid. To get out of the way of something. So something's coming towards you. Avoid. Avoid something. Avoid the flying books. Avoid the flying books. Yeah. You need to avoid those people. Those people. They are trying to avoid that path. Oh, I don't want to go that path. Those people. Oh, no, thank you. Yeah. Avoid something. Yeah, so we could say that he avoided the punch. He avoided the punch. He avoids the punch. The punch. Yeah. Whoa. 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 The punch. How cool is that? I want to avoid the meeting. How can you avoid the meeting? How? It makes no sense. How? Okay. I will figure out a way to avoid it. Yeah. I'll figure out a way to avoid it. Yeah. Definitely. He avoids it every time. Every time he goes there, he avoids talking to her. Every time he goes there, he avoids talking to her. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So that means then that I avoid, you avoid, they avoid, he avoids, she avoids, it avoids. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that? So he avoids he avoids the test. Makes sense. So I avoid the flying cat. Makes sense. You avoid all the lessons. Yeah. They avoid me all the time. Yeah. He avoids speaking to him. She avoids the color green, for example. Yeah. It avoids breaking down. Like, ensures it doesn't happen. Make sure it doesn't happen. Yeah. Yeah. Or to make sure something doesn't happen. Yeah. How cool is that? So he avoided the question. I avoided the question. I didn't want to answer that. Ooh, no thank you. He avoids the questions. I'm avoiding to talk with him. Yeah. Yeah. See, I'm avoiding to speak about that topic. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah. I will try to avoid mistakes. I want to avoid errors in my writing. So in my writing and lessons. So I always double check them. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I avoid, you avoid, they avoid, he avoids, she avoids, it avoids. Yeah. So avoid. How cool is that? But can you use avoid in a sentence? And can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to me on YouTube. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.